Good day everyone. My name is Jerolyn Montera. Today I am going to discuss naming alkynes using IUPAC nomenclature from structural formula to correct IUPAC name. Ang akong topic kay about sa unsaon pagpangalan sa alkynes gamit ang IUPAC naming system. Introduction. Organic chemistry is the branch of chemistry that study carbon-containing compounds. One of the simplest and most important groups of organic compounds is alkynes. Alkynes are saturated hydrocarbons, meaning they contain only carbon C and hydrogen H atom connected by single covalent bonds. Their general molecular formula is CnH2n plus 2. Sa Bisaya pa, ang pasabot ani ang alkynes kay organic compounds nga carbon ug hydrogen ra ang sulod ug ang single bond lang ang nagdugtong sa ilang carbon atoms. To ensure that every compound has one unique and universally accepted name, chemists use the International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry IUPAC naming system. These standard methods allow scientists, students, and professionals worldwide to identify compounds correctly without confusion. Ang kanang IUPAC stand for International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. Like ang kini ang standard naming system nga gigamit sa tibuok kalibutan aron ang matag compound naay usa ra nga og sakto nga opisyal nga pangalan. Objective: define alkynes in IUPAC nomenclature. Ang ikaduha, identify the longest carbon chain in an alkynes. Ang ikatulo, number the carbon chain correctly. Ang ikaupat, identify and name alkyne substituent. Ang last kay apply IUPAC naming rules to structural formula. What are alkynes? Alkynes are hydrocarbons that contain only single carbon bonds because they have the maximum possible number of hydrogen atoms. They are called saturated hydrocarbons. General formula CnH2n plus 2. Name methane, yang carbon atoms kay isa, yang formula kay CH4. Ang ethane, yang carbon atoms kay duha, yang formula kay C2H6. Ang propane, yang carbon atoms kay tulo, ang formula kay C3H8. Ang butane, yang carbon atoms kay upat, yang formula kay C4H10. Ang butane, yang carbon atoms kay 5, yang formula kay C5H12. Ang hexane, yang carbon atoms kay 6, yang formula kay C6H14. Basic rules in IUPAC naming of alkynes. Rule 1. Find the longest continuous carbon chain. The longest chain becomes the parent name. First, pangitaon ang pinakataas nga sunod-sunod nga carbon chain. Kini ang tawag nato nga parent chain ug mao ni ang basehan sa pangalan sa compound. Example: CH3, CH2, 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 CH3. Longest chain 5 carbon. Name methane. Rule number 2. Number the carbon chain. Start numbering from the end nearest the first branch. Number the carbon chain from the end nearest the branch. Example: CH2, CH3, CH2, CH3. Numbering from the left give the branch at carbon 2. Sunod i-number ang carbon chain gikan sa tumoy nga pinakaduol sa branch aron makuha ang pinakagamay nga number. Correct numbering. 1, sugod sa 1, 2, 3, 4. Rule number 3. Identify the branch substitute. Common alkyl groups include alkyl groups methyl. Ang formula kay CH3. Ang ethyl kay C2H5. Ang propyl C3H2. Ang butyl C4H9. Rule 4. Write the position of each branch. Always write the carbon number before the substitute. Write the complete IUPAC name. Sa pinakalas, isulat ang number sa branch, sunod ang branch name o dayon ang parent chain. Example, 2. Methylbutane. The methyl group is attached to carbon 2. Rule 5. Arrange different branches alphabetically. Example, 3. Ethyl, 2. Methylhexane. Ethyl comes before methyl. Rule 6. Use prefix for repeated branches. Number 2, prefix D. Number 3, prefix 3. Number 4, tira. Example, 2,2-dinitibutane. Example 1. Structural formula. CH4. Step 1. Number of carbon atoms 1. Parent chain met. IUPAC name methane. This compound has only one carbon atom, so the correct IUPAC name is methane. Sa Bisaya, isa lang iyang carbon nga na ug walay branch, mao ang nga methane ang iyang pangalan. Example 2. Structural formula. CH3, CH2, CH3. Step 1. Longest chain, 3 carbons. Parent name, propane. IUPAC name, propane. This compound has 3 carbon atoms in a straight chain, so the correct name is propane. Tulo ka carbon ang diretso nga chain o walay branch, mao ang propane ang tawag ani. Example 3. Structural formula. CH3, CH, CH3, CH2, CH3. Step 1. Longest chain, 4 carbons. Parent name, butane. The longest chain has 4 carbon atoms, so the parent chain is butane. Next, number the chain from the nearest branch. The methane group is attached to carbon. Step 2. Number from the nearest branch. Branch location. Carbon 2. Branch methyl. IUPAC name is 2-methylbutane. Example 4. Structural formula. CH3, CH, CH3, CH, CH3, CH3. Step 1. Longest chain, 4 carbons. Parent name, butane. Step 2. They are 2 methyl group. Location, carbon 2 and carbon 3. IUPAC name, 3,2-dimethylbutane. Sa Binisaya nga istorya, duha ang methyl branch nga naa sa carbon 2 ug carbon 3. Mao ang gamiton ang dili ug ang ngalan mahimong 2,3-dimethylbutane. Formula. CH3, CH2, CH, CH2, CH3, CH2, CH2, CH3. Step 1. Longest chain, 6 ka carbon. Parent name, hexane. Step 2. branch ethyl location carbon 3 IUPAC name 3-ethylhexane. Therefore, the correct IUPAC name is ethylhexane. Ang pinakataas nga chain is naay 6 ka carbon. Mao nga ang hexane ang parent chain. Ang ethyl branch naa sa carbon number 3. Maong ang sakto nga pangalan kay 3-ethylhexane. Important of IUPAC nomenclature. 1. Provide a universal naming system for organic compounds. 2. Prevents confusion caused by common names. 3. Helps chemists communicate accurately. 4. Make it easier to identify the structure of compounds. 5. Widely used in education, research, medicine, agricultural, and industry. Conclusion. In conclusion, naming alkynes is easy if we follow the IUPAC rules. Kailangan lang nato hinumduman ang upat ka step. Find the longest carbon chain. Number the chain correctly. 3. Identify the substitute of branch. Ang pinakalas, write complete IUPAC name. And I thank you.